such as this one, and I need something to point to when I'm behind the camera. So this is a simple pointing stick that I've made from a styrofoam type of material. It's very soft, so it cannot break my television screen. So this is normally how I would use this pointing stick. I have been using my hand. Sometimes I've been using sticks or something else that's hard that can harm the television, but now I'm happy because I have a simple pointing stick that cannot break my TV, and it's long enough. So here's an example of what I will be using this for. So today guys, I'm going to show you how to use your LG service remote control to check your LG Magic remote control. So like we saw in the beginning of the video in this playlist, just enter insert and press the password. You already know the password is 0413, and come down to RF up to number 12, which is RF remote contest, which is RF remote control test. From here you can measure and test a variety of details, which is the pointing mode, voice mode. You can even download the receiver firmware, and you can check the IRDB version.